Hello and welcome back to my channel, Kids at Heart Toys, and I am back with a toy opening Tuesday. This of course isn't Tuesday. I thought it would be cool maybe to do a toy opening during our power outage, because why not? And because at the store at Walmart they actually finally had the LOL doll Wave 2's, which I never thought they would ever get, so I'm kind of excited, and I don't think I could wait until our power came back on to open these. So I just thought I'd do it. I don't think the lighting is that bad. Hopefully you'll... I'm trying to do the best I can with candles in this lantern here, which is kind of bright. I hope it doesn't bother anybody on the video. And then I wanted to show you these really cute candles I'm burning. This one's really pretty. It has a bunch of fish. This is like a gel kind of candle. But you can see the fish, aren't they pretty? So, might as well have fun while you have a power outage. And then the other one I have is this bear, and he's on a little log there. I think it's cool. I don't know how they make these. It's really, really neat. So, yeah, so I thought that'd be cute. So we can get right to it. And I'm going to open up the first one, and hopefully you'll be able to see who they are. I don't know if I'll be able to read anything. That's kind of challenging in the dark, but it's not even that late. I don't know what time it is, but it's like late afternoon, so, but the sun sets kind of quick nowadays, so yeah, we'll see what's in this one. Okay, there's that. This is the clue. I'm going to try to read the clue. I think I can see it okay. It says I don't have any of these. These will all be new to me. This says sweet or sour. So I have no idea. Okay. Interesting. Okay. Whoop. They're still hard to open, even when you don't have power. But this one does not want to open. This one doesn't want to open at all. Persevere, persevere. Okay, getting it. I really am. You can tell I'm getting it. Okay, moving that over. And of course, this just says what they do. You know, kind of boring, so I'm skipping that. Okay, where are you? I'm excited. These are. I know a lot of people have already had these, but I haven't. I finally got these. Oh my word, no way. Is that what I think it is? Is that what color I think it is? I've got a gold ball, no way. This is like rare. Oh my word. I'm trying, I don't want to set on fire, but I'm trying to make sure that this is gold. I mean, I can't really see, but it can't be gold. Let me look. Yep. I don't know if you guys can tell because of my light, but that's a gold ball. Oh my goodness. I have a gold ball. That is pretty sweet. Oh, I'm happy. This is weird. There's little holes. I'm pulling these out, even though I didn't have to unwrap it. What a weird little thing this is. I don't know. I'm happy. I'm not complaining. I have not had a gold ball since Series 1. That's cool. This is weirdly wrapped here. I'm gonna take the rest of it off. Well, that's very cool that I got a gold ball on my first try at Walmart of all places, because I haven't really had success getting anything limited edition there. Well, this makes this power outage really fun. Okay, let's see what we got. I am excited. Rare. I don't know who it is. Okay, I'm gonna leave all that there. Let's open this up, because I don't know. Okay, opening up, opening up, opening up. Rip. What's in here? Oh, cool shades. So get some shades. I threw that one away. Okay. These are the shoes. I got shades first, and then I got shoes. Which, I don't know. This one does not want to come out, though. Come on. Okay, I get it out that way. I get it out one way or another. Okay, let's dump you. Well, that's weird. Okay. I really don't know who this is. I'm sure some of you guys do. But they've got two different color shoes. They got a pink and a white and a blue and a white. How unusual. So I have no idea. I'm clueless. Okay. Let's stop being clueless so we can find out what it is. Alright. Ooh, that was even like sort of ripped open already. Freaky. Okay, I got another pair of glasses. I'm confused. I'm totally confused. Has anybody gotten this one yet? I don't know who this is or what this is, but they got 2 pairs of shades and 2 different color shoes. Come on, open. This one's being stubborn. Taking the list out. There goes that. Okay, there's that. I'm just gonna do that because I really don't know. Okay, I'm so excited. Gold ball. This gold ball's not sparkly though. How unusual. Okay. Well, it's not a new list, but this is cool because now I'm gonna get somebody different. Somebody different. I want to open up these first because. Oh, I got a baby. I got a baby. I am really confused now. I'm really, really, really confused. Okay, I'm even more confused. I got another baby. I got 2 babies. Is this the... Oh! Okay. Alright. Alright. I got like... Okay, this is a limited edition babies. They still do this? Okay, whatever. I don't know. Don't ask me. I'm opening it. This is really confusing. But, oh, it's really cute, though. I got a little purse. See the purse? This. Neat. This looks like it's got bat wings and a heart. I don't know. I'm confused. Oh, it's got a rainbow on the other side. Okay, so these are the 2 dolls. So I didn't get an actual LOL big sister doll. I got 2 little sisters in this limited edition gold ball. Which, I mean, cool, but I'm really confused now. Because I'm behind on knowing who is who because I've only had the first waves. I haven't had, this is my first, second wave. Aren't they cool? Okay, I'm happy. Do you wear one shoe and you wear the other shoe? I think that's what it is. Okay, right? Yeah. So you wear this shoe. And I think this is how it goes. And then this other baby wears the other shoe. That's got to be right? That's how it goes, right? There. I'm being silly, okay? I'm being silly. So there's 2 pairs of glasses. I don't know. I broke the glasses. Oh, I feel terrible. I broke somebody's glasses. I'm so sorry. I'm gonna give it to her. See? I don't even know. I mean, usually the glasses are for the big sister, so I'm sorry, big sister, whoever I broke your glasses. I did not mean to. I was so excited. But they look cute, don't they? Alright, I'm just gonna stick them in here. We're gonna find out who they are. I don't know. I'm just gonna try to... You guys should fit in the same bag, right? Alright, I'm gonna put them here. Isn't that cool, though? I think that's cool for a first thing. I don't think this is fixable. I'm gonna stick you in there. Alright, let me see what I got. I don't know how to figure this out. How do I figure this out? I'll just take a moment. I don't know. I don't know what to do. I don't know where they are. Wait. That looks like what they are. We're hiding. What does that mean? We're hiding. Oh my word. Go to... It says we're hiding. I can't see because there's no light. It says go to lolsurprise.com to discover where you can find us. Well, I already found you though. I guess because you look just like the ones I just got. So this is... It doesn't say who they are though. Oh, Little Sugar. So I got Little Sugar. That's Little Sugar. And they are, Oh, no way. I got Ultra Rares. Oh, my word. Okay. So I got... Let's see. I got Little... Wait. Making sure you're right. Yeah, this is Little Spice and this is, Little Sugar. Sugar and Spice. Isn't that cute? Sugar and Spice. And I broke one of their glasses. I feel so terrible. And they're ultra rare and they said we're hiding. So I don't know. I got them. That's pretty cool. I don't believe it. So, well, that's fun. I haven't had a very exciting LOL ball opening in like forever. So this is pretty cool. Alright, I'm going to show you guys. So on the list, come on. On the list, where did they go? Right here. They're right here on the list. See, they say we're hiding. And they're from the club Opposites, and they are ultra rares. So that's pretty cool. Okay, I'm gonna put them in their gold ball, I think. So just in one shoe each. Okay, there. That was my first ball. I got 2 more. I'm sorry it took so long. I'm gonna try to do these other ones quick, I guess. But how exciting, eh? That's pretty cool. This one's hard to open too. Alright. Come on. You can do it. Let's come. There we go. Alright. I do hope you guys can see good enough. I just thought this would be kind of a neat thing to do since, since there's no power over here. Okay, so this is cool as ice. And let's see. The next one is. Man, these are tough. Okay. I'm getting there. Okay. And this is boring. Yep, it's still boring. One of them's stuck on this. I always forget where to start these. Usually it's easy to... I don't know if this is the one or not. Oh, it's a pink ball. You can see that. Very bright. That one's very bright. Okay. I never thought Walmart would have any limited edition ones. That's pretty cool. How unusual. Okay, what is this? This would be the bottle. I get a ball this time. Ooh, a pink and black bottle. Yeah. What could this bottle be? Doo-doo-doo. Okay, I'm gonna put that over there. The clue. Key. No, don't roll into the candle. Don't roll into the candle, please. Okay, this one's hard to open again. Open, just, there we go. What do we got? We got 1 shoe. There's the 2 shoes. Oh goodness. Okay. Oh, they're ice skates. Oh, my word. Okay, they're black ice skates. See that? Neat. Another ice skater, which is very cool. I like the ice skaters. I think they're neat. And I thought there was only 1 ice skater, but like I said, I haven't had that list yet. Oh, no. Okay, I'll keep the list out so I know what I'm doing. Okay, that's the outfit. Oh, that's cute. Just, standard black and pink, but very cute. Okay, here comes the doll. And stuff. Doll. And stuff. And this stuff can go over there. Over. Okay, and over. Oops. Come back here. There we go. Alright, gotta keep that there. And what is this? Oh, a little necklace. A little, like, clear necklace. And this is... Oh, a beret. I think I know who this is, and I liked it when other people opened this one. I just can't remember her name at the moment, but that's cool because I like this one. Oh, no. No. Kitty, no. Leave it alone. You go down. Nova's trying to mess with my board. She likes my board for some reason. She likes the back of my board, I don't know. And there she is. I know, is it, I don't know. I can't remember her name, but I've seen her in other people's, and she's really pretty. So I'm gonna hurry up and put on her stuff. I didn't realize she was an ice skater, though. Let's need another ice skater. Cool. Okay. I'm trying to get her. Oh, I didn't check. Of course, those color change, probably those ones over here. But I didn't check her. She's definitely not a wetter. That's an easy way to check. I think she might do both. I can't tell, and I can't see. I think she's a spitter, because she looks like it. Okay, I'm gonna put her outfit on. I'm gonna try to put her outfit on. Come on. These ones are a little bit easier, a little bit. Not a lot of it, a little bit. Okay. I'm trying to get on. There we go. I think I got most of it on. There. Now get her ice skates on and her cute little hat. Oh, come back here. This is challenging to do in the dark, actually. This is only getting darker. Come on, shoe. Go on somehow. I think I get that on right. Is it right? I don't know. I think this is. There we go. There we go. Now put her hat on. Oh my word, she's adorable. She is so cute. And I know, I just can't remember her name. I'll get her name. Where'd she go? Yeah, she's Posh. I didn't know Posh. I guess I couldn't tell if Posh had ice skates. But there she is. I have Posh, and Posh is a popular. There's Posh. Right there. I like her. I think she's really, really pretty. I love the beret on her. If I can do it on the side. Pretty. Oh, I don't know, maybe that would be better. No, I think that's good. Alright, I'm going to put her over here with her bottle. And now I got one more. One more. Let's see what this is. And then I'll be done. I hope you've liked this so far. I mean, wasn't that cool? A gold ball the very first try. I thought that was really cool. I have not had one since I got I got 3 gold balls in series 1. I got 3 of them. But 2 of them are repeats. And I did get a glitterati last season, so, you know, I did get a glitterati at one time. I haven't had one since. Okay, so here's my clue. Fangirl. Whoop. So that clue is Fangirl. I'm gonna put that by Posh. Trying to... I got lost here. I got lost. There we go. Okay, I'm gonna leave that over there. And... Oh, it's hard to open these. These ones are so tough. Come on. Okay. And I got the... It's just what it does. Yeah. This one just came right off, so I'm gonna... And the color is pink. You can see right there. It's the color of the ball. These look like... How'd I do the shoes first? I don't know, but these are shoes, I think. I don't know how I did that, but I did do that. Okay, I'm gonna see what these are. Come on. And these are cute little shoes. Cute little shoes. Okay. Guess I'll go this way. I don't know. There's the bottle. I guess I did it backwards, but whatever. What bottle is this? Oh, it's kind of bent, very bent, but it's black and white. It's look how bent it is. Poor girl has a bent bottle. You can't really fix it, but there you go. I'll move those back a little so you can see. Okay. Where? I can't find the other thing to how to open it here. Where's the other? Oh, this thing is all messed up, seriously. I'm trying to show you. Yeah. I was going to try to get the rest of it off. Come on. Okay. This is the outfit. And this is the outfit. Oh, he's cute. Yeah, I feel like I already have one of these, but I don't know. I have a lot of black and white. It Baby is black and white, but I don't know. This looks slightly different. There's that. Okay, here comes the doll. Okay. Oops, that's in the way. I'll put it back here. Okay, extra is Well, that's a pretty one. Yeah, I definitely don't have this one. Little roses, black roses headband. Alright, let's go. Are you? Oh, yeah, pretty hair. There she is. Huh? Oh, that's the... I was wondering what that... She's... First of all, there we go. She had her head on wrong. That was... Excuse me. That was the tag. I was wondering what that was. I'm gonna check her. So I'm curious. Yay! I got a winner! In case you're wondering, I don't know if you guys wonder, or if you guys even know this is how I check. I take their head off. And see? It's a wetter. Just as a hint. I don't know, some people may not know that. I learned that from a channel. It's kind of a more violent way to find out, but that's what I do. So let me get her dressed and we'll find out who she is. I'm happy I got a wetter and I got a limited edition ball. So I had a very good time today. For being no power, I think this was a really good selection. So I'm very happy. Okay, I'm gonna put this on. I'm trying to show you I am putting her stuff on here. I'm sorry. I do it off camera a lot. I don't mean to. Okay, I'm gonna put a little headband on. I like that. It's so cute. Oh my word, she's so cute. Look at that. I'll find out who she is. Well, I can still see. Because I'm really getting close to not being able to see. Where are you? Oh, okay. It's from the cosplay club, and I have two from the cosplay already. I had Neon Cutie and Bonbon. Never got Fanime. I'd love to get Fanime, but I don't have her yet. But I have Midnight. So Midnight's right there. See Midnight? Isn't she cute? And Midnight is a popular. So, yay! I got Midnight. And here she is. She looks very pretty. So that is my Toy Opening Tuesday. These are really cool LOL dolls. LOL dolls. I didn't say that right. So here's Midnight. And I didn't say what Posh was from. I should have said that. Where'd she go? Where are you again? Oh, she's from the Chill Out Club. And I already have Cozy Babe. Yeah, I have two so far. Now I have Posh and Cozy Babe. I need Snow Angel and Burr Baby. So there's Posh. And then I got the limited edition Sugar and Spice. I forgot which is which. But there's Sugar and Spice. Oh man, they're in their cute little bag. And the glasses that I broke for one of them. I'm so sorry. But there's Sugar and Spice. See? Yay. So thank you very much for watching. I thought this was a really awesome LOL doll opening. Very cool. I really like the Wave 2s. I hope to get more if, Walmart gets them more. And also the Glitter series too, and the Pet series whenever they come out. But anyway, thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel where I do Toy Opening Tuesdays, Replay Wednesdays, where I review toys and I'll do toy openings and do other things, play with toys, just, it's very toy related. It's just to do stuff that kids at heart enjoy. So anyway, thank you for watching, and I hope everybody keeps having fun, and hopefully next time I see you I'll have power. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.